What's going on here, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Traxxas RC, and you guys with another video today. We are working on the Vanquish Phoenix VS410. As you can see, I disassembled the whole chassis, and we're gonna be working on a new project. So I stole the axles off this truck because I'm actually gonna be doing a custom Rock Pirates RC chassis. And I've been contemplating on which axles I wanna use. Wasn't sure if I wanted to go with the straight axles or if I wanted to go with portal axles, basically. I could have went with Traxxas axles, but you know what? I figure let's make it interesting. Do some portals from Vanquish. All right, so we just got finished putting all the links together for the front and for the rear. So my plan is to actually make this thing a steering servo on axle. Do a 4-link in the front, obviously do a 4-link in the rear. We'll see how it works out. So I did locate in my parts, my little parts bin, I located a F10 SOA mount. I'm hoping that this will work on this axle. If not, then I may have to order a mount for it. And fingers crossed, hopefully this mount works and we can actually run a steering servo on the axle. All right, let's continue. I'm gonna put the links on. I'll hook up the shocks today. Let's get this, get these axles connected. So as you can see, everything is all assembled now. And obviously I just need the rest of the electronics. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually order some more parts from Rock Pirates RC. They actually sell like a mini battery tray. I'm gonna grab that. I may grab 2 just so at least I can use one as a battery tray and maybe use the other one as the electronics tray, basically. I think it came out really good. Honestly, I wanted to do something different with the build. We all know the Traxxas, obviously. We have portal axles from Traxxas already. And I wanted to do something a little different for myself and for the channel, actually. So what I did was, I used the Vanquish axles front and for the rear on this Traxxas TRX4 build. So these are portal axles still. So we still have the clearance underneath, which is great, which is awesome. We actually have the weights that come stock on the Phoenix VS410. So we have weight up front already. And I don't know if you guys noticed already that I have the servo on axle. So we're running a servo on axle. I just have to get the link, the shorter link, so I can match that up to obviously hook that up. We have 4-link front and rear, guys. I'm glad to see that Rock Pirates RC did this chassis for the TRX4 Sport. Definitely want to see if this chassis or these frame rails will help the TRX4 perform better. You know, hopefully the steering servo on the axle will help also. Again, just trying to keep all the weight forward. For now, we're going to be running the Vanquish tires just as a roller. Honestly, the shocks, I'm gonna definitely have to change the shocks. The shocks are definitely too short. I'm gonna have to put at least 100 millimeters or maybe even longer. Check out Rock Pirates RC for these frame rails. We're definitely gonna do new shocks. We'll probably do some Desert Lizard shocks. Honestly, those shocks are really good. Haven't had a problem with them yet, knock on wood. So just to show you guys the articulation. Yep, see, rear tire's already coming up already. You know, I think I can get a fist under there. Yeah, all right. The rear tire in the back starts to come up a little bit. All right, let's see the front. I don't think it. Okay, all right. So it's doing pretty well, even though I don't have that much articulation yet. You know, once like I said, I get the longer shocks, it'll definitely give me more articulation. I'm definitely excited to see how this rig will perform. I'm hoping maybe within the next week or 2, you know, we'll get this thing up and running and we will see how this thing performs, guys. You know, I definitely can't wait to see how the 4-link in the front will either help or hinder me. You know, we'll see, right? fingers crossed. We'll see how the build does. I'll do some videotaping for you guys, and I'll definitely put up a first run of this truck and show you guys how this truck performs. All right, guys, so we got to pick out a body. Again, that's why I was trying to keep it a 12.3, just so at least I can try to keep it scale looking. We'll see what I find, of course, right? All right, guys, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Rockside out.